Unlock the future of payments right here in Qatar with Apple Pay, transforming your iPhone or Apple Watch into your wallet. Setting up Apple Pay is remarkably simple. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign icon in the upper right corner to add a new card. You can either use your phone's camera to automatically scan your credit or debit card details, or manually enter the information if you prefer. In Qatar, Apple Pay is widely supported by major banks including QNB, Commercial Bank, Doha Bank, and many more, making it incredibly accessible. Once your card is added, you'll typically need to verify it with your bank through a text message, email, or a phone call for security purposes. This ensures only you can use your cards. Using Apple Pay is incredibly convenient for iPhone Face ID models. Double-click the side button, glance at your screen, and hold it near the reader for Touch ID. Simply rest your finger on the home button. On Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the display near the reader. A gentle tap and a confirmation on your screen lets you know your payment was successful. If you ever experience issues, ensure your device has an active internet connection. You're within range of the payment terminal, or try selecting a different card in your wallet if problems persist. Contact your bank. Seamless, secure, and swift Apple Pay in Qatar truly simplifies your daily transactions. Start tapping and enjoying the ease of digital payments today.